With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question, we have a wave function psi, which is a function of n, l, and ml. It is given in a spherical polar coordinate system, that is in terms of r, theta, and phi, where z is atomic number and a0 represents Bohr's radius. So for hydrogen, we have to, for hydrogen atom, the only correct combination is, we have to identify correct combination out of these 4 combinations. So we will see those combinations one by one, but before we do that, let's understand some formulas. That is, psi is directly proportional to e to the power minus zr upon n a0. Also, psi is directly proportional to 1 upon a0 to the power 3 by 2 plus L. And also we have another formula, that is psi is directly proportional to r to the power L. Now, with the help of this formula, we can identify value of n, and by the help of these 2 formulas, we can identify value of L. In option second, we have 2s orbital, 2, 1, q. So in first, we can say that in exponent it is e to the power minus zr upon a0. Here coefficient of a0 is 1, so it belongs to first cell, that is n is equal to 1. And here we have 2s, so this option is incorrect. So this won't be our answer. Now we will see 1, 1, p, 1, it is 1s. Here we have checked that this belongs to first cell. Now we will check for subcell. Now here we have 1 upon a0 to the power 3 by 2, and psi is directly proportional to 1 upon a0 to the power 3 by 2 plus L. Since here exponent is 3 by 2, so L will be equal to 0, that is S subcell. So till here this is correct. Now we will see option P. In option P, we can see that there is one node present at this point, and number of node for any subcell is given by number of radial node is equal to n minus l minus 1. So this belongs to first cell. For S subcell, L is equal to 0 minus 1. So for 1s, number of radial nodes is equal to 0, and here we have a radial node, so this is also incorrect. Now we will see third option, that is 1, 4, r. 1, 1s orbital, and 4, xy plane is a nodal plane. We all know that s orbital is a spherical in nature, so xy plane cannot be a nodal plane, so this option is also incorrect. Now we will see option D, that is last option, 1 1s. 1 is 1s, and this does represent 1s. We have checked that. And s says energy needed to excite electron from n equal to 2 state to n equal to 4 state is 27 by 32 times. N equal to 2 to n equal to 4 is state is 27 by 32 times energy required to excite electron from n equal to 2 to n equal to 6. So it is saying that an electron is excited from n equal to 2 to n equal to 4. And let's say energy required to excite this electron is E1. Another electron is excited from n equal to 2 to n equal to 6. And energy, let's say energy required for this is E2. It is saying that ratio of E1 upon E2 is 27 upon 32. So to check that, first of all we have to know one thing, that from Bohr's model, E for any cell is minus 13.6 z square upon n square. So to find E1 upon E2, E1 can be given as, here minus 13.6 and z square will be common for n equal to 2 and n equal to 4. So we can take that common, minus 13.6 z square. For n equal to 4, 1 upon 4 square, and for n equal to 2, 1 upon 2 square. Now we will see for E2, minus 13.6 z square. For n equal to 6, 1 upon 6 square, minus for n equal to 2, 1 upon 2 square. Minus 13.6 z square will get cancelled, and by solving this, by taking LCM, we will get 3 by 16 upon 8 by 36, and this is equal to 27 upon 32. So this last option, that is 1 is correct. So our answer will be this. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.